Hello students, in this video we will discuss about equation of a line in normal form. Since you can see here, there are four situations. A line, suppose this is a line and this line intersect x and y axis on point, suppose P and Q. Here P and Q, P and Q and P and Q. It's in every situation, if the distance of this line from the origin denoted by small p, here from O to A, this is the distance of line PQ from origin, and this distance will be perpendicular distance. Now, if this perpendicular line means OA, make the angle with x axis is theta and passes through origin, then what will be slope of this line OA? Since slope of line OA equal to tan of theta. Slope of line OA equal to tan of theta. Since PQ line perpendicular to OA, therefore slope of line PQ equal to minus 1 upon slope of line OA, and this will be also 1 upon tan of theta, or minus cos theta upon sin of theta. This is the slope of line PQ. Now, if we want to find the coordinate of a point in every situation, then since this angle is theta and this is the hypotenuse for triangle OMA, then cos of theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base means OM upon OA. Since OM upon OA equal to P, therefore OM equal to P cos of theta. Similarly, AM equal to P into sin theta, P into sin of theta. Therefore, coordinate of A will be P means OM, length of OM and length of AM. OM equal to P cos theta and P sin of theta. Now we have find the coordinate of A, P cos theta and P sin theta, and its also slope PQ. Slope of PQ is minus cos theta upon sin theta. Now we can find the equation of a line passes through given one point and slope is given. Now I write here, suppose if this is removed, therefore equation of line PQ will be y minus y1. y1 means P cos theta, P sin theta, P into sin theta equal to m. m means minus cos theta upon sin theta into x minus x1, that is x minus P of cos theta, P cos theta. Now if we multiply this, then this will be y into sin theta minus p into sin square theta, mine equal to minus x into cos theta plus p into cos square theta. Now if we transfer minus x cos theta on the left side, so this will be x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to transfer p on the right side and taking p as a common from this term and this term. So this will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now as you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then this will be x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to p, where p is the distance of required line from origin, where p is distance of line from origin and theta is the angle formed by perpendicular with x-axis. Now this equation x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to p, this is the equation of required line in the normal form, and this is also known as equation of a line in distance form. Now in the next video we will discuss about another type of equation or another type of topic related to this chapter.